Recovering deleted messages on Snapchat can be challenging, but there are a few methods you can try. Follow these steps to see if you can retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check Snapchat memories. Open the Snapchat app and swipe up to access memories. Sometimes, messages or snaps may be saved there. Look through saved snaps and stories to see if the messages are available. Step 2. Ask the other user. If the messages were part of a conversation with another user, reach out to them and ask if they still have the messages. If they haven't deleted the conversation, they can share the content with you. Step 3. Use data recovery software. Consider using data recovery software on your device. Some programs can scan your phone for deleted data, including messages. Follow the software's instructions to see if it can recover your Snapchat messages. Step 4. Check your email. If you have enabled Snapchat to send you email notifications, check your email for any messages or snap summaries. Sometimes, Snapchat sends copies of your conversations or notifications that might contain the information you need. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If all else fails, you can contact Snapchat support for assistance. Explain your situation and ask if they can help you recover your deleted messages. They may have access to backup data that could assist you. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Snapchat can be difficult, these steps may help you find what you're looking for. Good luck!